how do I get lilacs to last longer than a few days in a vase? And this is Ann from Rochester, New York. So how can she do that?
Well, you know, I used to love, living in Illinois, we had lilacs. They're beautiful,
Really? Okay.
gorgeous, gorgeous. And she's right, they don't last very long, but this is how you can help. You
Okay.
try to pick a flower that's only about 3/4 open. So you're going to have some buds on the
Okay,
end of
all
it.
right.
You bring it inside, it's going to be woody. You're
Okay.
going to smash the end of the stem,
You smash it
smash
in.
it because it gets more water inside.
okay.
And then you put it in water with preservative, the floral preservative, and then you take off all of the green leaves as
Okay.
much as you can,
Okay. Up the stem.
up the stem.
Okay.
And that should make it last 2 to 3 days. It's still not
2
going to
days.
be, it's not going to be really long
Okay.
because they just don't do as well as cut flowers. You don't really see them in the cut flower industry because
Huh,
they just,
yeah.
they're beautiful outside and on the tree, but they don't always translate inside. But now if you're having an event at your house and you want to have some flowers, it's going to last long enough for that and give gorgeous fragrance inside your house.
So just think of
But
it that way. Right.
that's
yeah.
but that's it's still not going to live very long.
No,
but
right.
that's the only way I know of to extend the bloom as much as possible.
Wow. Okay. You probably have to change the water out every day.
I would think, and the floral preservative.
Yeah, every day.
Mm-hmm.